In this clip, we will introduce another state-of-the-art model of Lucy Electric ring main unit, which is VCE ring main unit. This ring main unit is designed to align with IP54 standard to support the outdoor installation. It applies vacuum circuit breaker together with relay to protect transformers. This VCE ring main unit has the same function as ring main unit with IEC 62271 standard. It can proceed the coordination and upstream to protect overload and short circuits. VCE ring main unit has main components as follows. An EFI earth fault indicator detects faults at the incoming or line switch. When a fault occurs, typically a red light will be shown on the product to notify users. The users can then inspect the line or cable, clear or repair the fault in their system, then press reset button on the EFI. A VDS, voltage detector system, or VPIS, voltage presence indicating system, is used to detect the presence of operating voltage in each function. A protection relay is a device to protect transformers, cables, or other electrical devices. In the case of overload, overcurrent, or short circuit conditions, the protection relay will trip the circuit breaker automatically to disconnect the relevant device. And lastly, a mimic diagram represents the current state and position of the devices in the VCE ring main unit. It shows the state of each function, whether it is open, closed, or earth at ground. And all of these are the main components of VCE ring main unit from Lucy Electric. If you are looking for transformer protection equipment with certified IEC standard and reasonable price, this VCE ring main unit can answer to all your needs, especially those who require outdoor ring main unit to install outside the building. For further information on this VCE ring main unit, you can contact local sales office in your region or go to worldwideweb.lucyelectric.com.